Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to get free $100 iTunes gift cards. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to www.freetune.club, and once you're there, just type in your email address right here, and then select the amount of the gift cards you want. So I'm just going to pick $100 and click connect. So once it's connected, just click OK, and now just go down to here and your iTunes code is ready. Select your code, so just pick any one of these, it's fine, and go ahead and click generate last 4 digits. And so just let the process begin. Do not close your window. It's super simple, guys. I've done this about 5 times already. I've gotten like $500 worth of free iTunes codes. It's awesome, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So at this point, you're just gonna have to verify that you're a human being. This is obviously to keep the tool alive and stop bots from taking advantage of it. So just click verify. Alright, so to verify, you just have to install and open 2 apps for at least 30 seconds. So I'll show you guys how to do that. I'll walk you through it. So just click. First, we'll start by installing BetterNet VPN proxy. So I'll just click that. Okay. Go to App Store. Install. Now we'll just open that. So like I said, we're going to leave it open for at least 30 seconds. And honestly though, I do recommend leaving it open for 60 seconds just to be safe. The longer you leave it open for, the higher the chances that your verification will be successful and you'll get your free $100 gift card. And also, it might say like start free 7-day trial. You don't have to do that. You don't have to sign up for anything or buy anything. You literally just have to leave the app open for at least 30 seconds. And like I said, I recommend leaving it open for a minute. Alright, so it's been over 30 seconds now, so let's go back to Firefox. Alright, so just go ahead and click back, and now we'll do the same thing with Hotspot Shield Free VPN. Go to App Store, just ignore that, click install, click open. We'll leave it open as well for 30 seconds. And again, you don't have to start any 7-day trial or anything like that. Just leave the app open for over 30 seconds. And yeah, it's awesome, guys. Like, I've gotten a ridiculous amount of codes doing this. My friends have been doing this as well. They're all getting $100 codes, getting as much music as they ever wanted, really. And you can use this to download apps as well. So we're getting apps, games. It's crazy. Another one of my friends has just been reselling every single one he gets, like all the iTunes cards. So yeah, it's awesome. Alright, well, it's been over 30 seconds, so let's go check our email then for that code. Alright, here we are in my email. This is refresh. It shouldn't take longer than a few seconds to get the code now. It's already been, oh, there it is. Free $100 iTunes code, and just like that, guys, it's that easy. So you can redeem this right away, by the way. You don't have to wait any time. Just slap it on your account right away. And there it is, free $100 iTunes gift card code. Good luck, guys. Have fun with this, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.